Hello everyone. In this video, we see solution of exercise 9.1 onward question number 11 from NCERT textbook. Okay. So in this question, it has been said that a TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. Okay. From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From another point 20 meter away from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30. Find the height of the tower and width of the canal. Okay children. So first let us draw a simple diagram to represent whole of the problem. Okay, so we have a TV tower. Okay, a TV tower. A TV tower stand vertically on a bank of a canal. Okay, from a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower. So here as a bank just opposite to tower. Okay, suppose this is the opposite to the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of tower is 60 degree. We have this angle is 60 degree. Okay. Okay. And from another point which is 20 meter away from the point on the line joining to this point on the foot of tower. From the 20 meter away from this point, the angle of elevation of the top of tower is given, which is 30 degree. Okay, 30 degree. Then we have to ask find the height of tower. Okay, then find the height of tower. So naming the point, this is A. Okay, B, C and D. So here in this figure, BC is the tower. TV tower whose height is h meter, and BD is the length of the river. Okay. BC is the length of the river, means on opposite side of the TV tower, a bank, and from this bank means point D, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree, and another point on the opposite side of the tower which is 20 meter away, means point A, the angle of elevation of the top of tower is 30 degree. Okay, then we have to ask height of the tower and width of the canal. Clear? Okay, so we need to find height of the tower h and width of canal B, which is equal to BD. Okay, we need to find it. So first let us take in right triangle ABCD. Okay, BCD, in right triangle BCD, use tan trigonometric ratio is tan 60 degree equal to BC upon BD. Okay, now plug value of BC which is h upon BD, and if we know the value of specific angle of tan trigonometric ratio means sin 60, this is √3. Now BD equal to h by √3. Okay, again move to the right angle triangle ABC. In right triangle ABC, in right triangle ABC we have used tan 30 trigonometric ratio. Okay, tan 30 trigonometric ratio means tan 30 equal to perpendicular upon perpendicular upon base. Okay, means AB. So BC is h and AB can be written as 20 plus BD. So the value of tan 30 is 1 upon √3, and this is h upon 20 plus, and the value of h BD we have find h by √3. Now simplify further, we get me 20 plus h by √3. 20 plus h by √3 equal to h under √3. Now bring this term h by 3 on right side, so it will be h under √3 minus h by √3. Okay, now taking h common, so this become 3 plus 1, 3 minus 1 upon √3. Okay, and finally this is h under √3 equal to 2 into h. This implies h equal to 10 under √3 meter. So height of the tower is 10 under √3 meter. Okay, this is the height of the tower, h under √3 meter. And also find width of the canal means BD. So now using the value of h in this equation means BD equal to h by √3. So this is 10 under √3 divided by under √3, which is equal to 10 meter. So width of canal is 10 meter. Width of canal is 10 meter. Okay. Now move to the question number 12. In this question, it is given from a top of 7 meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of cable tower 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45. Determine the height of tower. Okay, so we have given from the top of 7 meter high building. So this is a 7 meter high building. and this is the tower. Okay, so from a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree. So this is given. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. Okay, and the angle of depression foot is 45, and it is given the angle of depression is 45 degree. This is also 45 degree. Then we have to ask, determine the height of tower. Okay, determine the height of tower. So let the height of tower be x meter. So naming the point, this is A, B, C, D, E. So here in this figure, AB is a 7-meter high building and BD is the tower whose height is x, and the angle of elevation from the top of building, top of tower is 60 degree, and angle of depression from the top of building to the foot of tower is 45 degree. Then we need to find height. So to find height of the tower, we use we use tan 45 trigonometric ratio, and also mention here this is 7, then this is also 7 meter, and from height C to D is this height is h minus 7 meter. Okay, so write in right triangle, this is question number 12. In right triangle A, B, E tan 45 degree equal to perpendicular upon base, means AE upon AB. This is 1 and AE is 7, AB is nothing, so AB equal to 7. Okay, from the figure AB equal to EC. So now move to in right triangle CDE in tan 60 degree equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, means CD upon perpendicular upon base, means CE. So here CE is equal to AB. So this is under root 3 equal to CD is h minus 7 and C is C equal to AB, then this is 7. Now cross multiply, so to get me under 7 under root 3 equal to h minus 7 and h equal to 7 under root 3 plus 1. 7 under root 3 plus 1. Okay, so this is the required height of the tower. Height of the tower is 7 under root 3 plus 1 meter. Okay, this is required answer of question number 12.